Let's learn about hunting of file uploading. So basically the steps is very simple. You have to find any file uploading page on web application, and after that what you have to do, let's try and see this is a simple website. This is a lab website. There is a file upload page. We will see the three situations. There is a upload, simple file upload. Let's try to upload this web shell that I have called dhanush.php. So I'm uploading this dhanush.php. See this, it's uploading successfully. Let's open this. See this, you have a full control of server. See this, full control. You can even delete something, you can even rename something, you can even check something what inside it. You can go to SQL, even connect. Okay, go to SQL. There's a root, and you can give the passwords, but you don't know the passwords. Yes, for database, yes. So no problem. See this, how to know. I'll go to any directory. Let's go to Mutility or any. Let's go to Mutility. Yes, there is Mutility. There is includes. There may be config. There is no config. No problem. Go. Let's just go back. Okay. Database offline.php. See this. There is something. Okay. There is a my classes, MySQL handler. So there is a classes. There is a MySQL handle, and there may be the password. Yes. Or you can simply go to the home directory. See this, there is a execute. So I'll execute locate config. This will give me config related file. See, these are the config related files exists onto the web server. So you can go on. Oh man, there are lots of see this config underscore database.php. You can go there. See, and then you will get the SQLi config details. Yes. So yes, you have to look for this. Yeah. So basically you have a complete control of a web server. Okay. So now let's try on second situations, content type verification. If you will upload, let's try to upload dhanush.php. It's let's upload. It's not uploading. Uploaded failed because they are verifying the content type that you are uploading. See this application for image, so they are verifying the content type that you are uploading image, or see they require image. They are verifying that you are uploading image or something else. If something else, then it will fail. If image, then successful. So in this case you can do what, you can do double extension attack also. Let's trying double extension. Double extension means what, dhanush.php.jpeg. I'm trying this. Let's upload. It's uploaded successfully. Now click here, see, but it's not executing because it's just displaying only the image content. So in this case what will I do, I will try to upload dhanush, and then I will use bobsuit. Intercept is on. I'll just upload this. See, I got the request, user file name dhanush.php, but the content type is text slash php. See this, I'll change this to image slash jpeg. Let's forward this. So this way you can bypass the file uploading restrictions. See this, you bypassed. Now I will try on the third. See, file uploading, upload 3. See, if I'm trying again dhanush.php, what happened? It's not uploading. So I'll intercept is on. I'll upload dhanush.php upload. So see, I got some content type again, text slash php. It won't execute. So I'll give image slash jpeg. Let's click on forward now. Uploaded successfully. See this, it's executed now. So this way you can try on any websites to upload the web shell onto the web applications. I hope it's clear to you.